on.
Ever feel like it's attack a bird? Whoa.
Alright, each and every one of you will be getting a cup of food, which you want to hold very tightly. If I want to give you the cup, the birds will come down. Do not pet the birds. Just hold the cup.
Just hold the cup.
Oh, hello.
Grab the cup from the bottom. It's in your hand. Bring your hand back up.
Oh my God.
I'm ton of them. Whoa. Don't move.
William, how do you feel about the birds?
Look at him fighting.
One's on his arm.
It feels weird?
No, you gotta sit here. You can't move. You gotta wait.
What are you doing,
Here,
Will?
hold the cup. Hold the cup.
William, what are you doing?
See, look, they're all calm, huh?
Mine are fighting each other.
So are mine. Woo. No, don't grab them. Whoa. Okay, wait, there's more. Ow, that was my finger. Whoa. No. Nope, come here, Will.
Guys, stop fighting.
Will. You gotta wait. Look. They're getting it. See, look
You want to
what they're
pet the
getting.
bird?
Okay, I'll help you. Okay. No. No, you can't go anywhere.
What, you like the bird?
You can't go anywhere. I like this one right here in my hand.
Yeah, I like that
This
color.
one's a beautiful color.
Hey, Mom, how do you get